G'day. In this Costar video we're going to show you a cool tool that's available in the stock check screen, which is our Njoy Tyre Fitment Guide. This fitment guide is the industry standard and provides the dealers with all of the technical data that's required so that they can best ensure that the tyres that they provide their clients are the correct, along with all of the technical specs that's involved in both the tyres and wheel fitments. So if we click on the fitment guide, it then allows us to do a vehicle search, which we can just enter in just as we do with Google. So whether it's the year, make and model or any bits and pieces thereof, we can type that in and do a search. So I'm going to say it's a 2012 Commodore. Once I spell it right, Commodore, and that'll then go off and bring back and return all of the different Commodores that came out in 2012. I can narrow it down even further by just typing a little bit more info if required, and based on the discussions that we're having with the customer. There we go. So we have 4 possible returns there, and we have the make, the model, the year, and the original fitment. So 245/45/18, and from there we can choose the exact vehicle that it is. So I'm going to choose this one here, which then brings up and lets us know what size the vehicle's OEM tyres were and what the fitment was, along with what position it was, the fitment, the load and speed rating, the overall diameter, and we also have the wheel specifications, so the recommended rim size, the offset, the centre bore hole, as well as the stud and PCD. We can also get further technical data by clicking on the magnifying glass, and it lets us know other data such as the torque settings and things like that. So we can go back out of there, and it goes beyond just the OE fitment and lets us know alternate fitments as well. So what the +1, +2, and if applicable, +3 alternate fitments are. We can see there if they wanted to upgrade to a 19-inch rim, then they'd be looking at either a 255/40/19 or a 275/35/19 or even a 285/35/R19. And again, that same technical data is available on all of those alternate fitments as well. From there, if we go back, I can choose the particular size that I'm looking at. So in this instance, I'm staying with the OE fitment. We select the Tyre fitment. It returns it automatically with the size and does a search and lets me know that I've got none in stock. So I can untick the show in stock only, and it will search my catalogues and let me know what I've got available from my suppliers. From here, I'm able to look at it, see my cost of $87 and know that my selling price is $213. The next piece of the puzzle is whether my supplier is holding that at their warehouse or not. The way to figure that out or check that is by going up to the supplier integration we've got, and then from there we click on that, it'll find the default supplier, and when I do a search there, it lists what products are available along with the list price, what my cost is excluding GST, and how many are available at the different warehouses that I've got access to. So from there I'm able to price the customer, let them know the tyres are available, and hopefully win the sale. We hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, just give us a call or submit a support query through our website. To keep a track of upcoming features in Costar, make sure you subscribe to our channel and check us out on Facebook and LinkedIn. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video installment.